Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to disable non-essential services in Windows 11. Windows 11 has a wide variety of services, most of which you probably won't know exist. Services are mini programs designed to manage very specific functions. Unlike more regular software, they run in the background and don't require any kind of user input to operate. If the services are running without any actual usage, modifying their status will surely make Windows 11 run faster, even though you shouldn't expect a very big difference. So without time wasting, let's jump into the video. There are probably a lot of services enabled for Windows 11 features you never utilize. The safest services to disable are those needed for some of the most obscure features few users need. These are some of the safest ones you can disable in Windows 11. Disabling services will ensure they never automatically start. You can always re-enable disabled services if you ever need to utilize Windows features they're needed for. Just make sure you check the services descriptions carefully before disabling anything. Let's start. How do I disable unnecessary services in Windows 11? There are three methods for disable unnecessary services in Windows 11. First method, through Services window. Second, use msconfig. And the third method is disable services via Windows terminal. Let's see one by one. First, use the Services window. Right-click your Start menu button to select Run on the menu shown directly below. To open the Services window, type services.msc and press Enter. Double-click an enabled service listed on that window to open a Properties window for it. Read the services description on the Properties window to help you decide whether it's one you need or not. Press the Stop button for the service. Then click the Disabled option on the Startup Type drop-down menu. Press the Apply button to disable the service. Click OK to close the Properties window. That's it for the Services window. Now let's see msconfig method. Press the Win+X keys and choose Run. Type msconfig and click OK. Select the Services tab within the System Configuration window shown directly below. Deselect Service checkbox is listed there. Click Apply to save the new options. Then press OK to exit the window. Thereafter, you'll be prompted to restart Windows. Click Restart on the dialog box to apply the changes. That's it for the milliseconds config method. Last method is disable services via Windows terminal. Open the search box by pressing the magnifying glass taskbar button. Type Windows Terminal in the search box. Right-click it and choose Run as administrator. Then click Open a new tab and select Command Prompt there. Enter this command within the Command Prompt tab. Then press the Return key to run the command. And that's it. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. See you in the next video.